In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Microsoft Excel to Monday.com. By the end, you'll have the official Excel connection installed, so you can sync spreadsheet data with your Monday.com boards quickly and reliably. First, open Monday.com in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you plan to use the integration. If you're installing this for a team, it helps to sign in with an account that has admin or app installation permissions. If you're not sure, you can still proceed. Monday.com will prompt you if additional access is required. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for the small puzzle icon. This is the app's marketplace. Click it to open the catalog of integrations and add-ons. If you don't see the icon, your role or plan may limit access. In that case, ask an admin to enable marketplace access or complete the install for you. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Microsoft Excel. You'll see several results, but you're looking for the listing called Excel and Google Sheets Sync. This is the official app that handles both Excel and Google Sheets connections. Click the listing to open its details page, where you can review the description, capabilities, and any permissions it requires. On the app page, click Install App. During installation, you may be asked to choose where the app should be available, your entire account or a specific workspace, and to approve requested permissions. Review these carefully so you understand what data the app can access. Approve to continue. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization windows can appear. The install typically completes in a few moments, and you'll see a confirmation message. That's it for the installation. From here, the app will be available in your account and ready to use when you set up your sync. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser. You can also verify that it's installed by reopening the puzzle icon and checking your installed apps. When you're ready to build a sync later, look for the Excel and Google Sheets sync option inside your board's integrations area. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your Excel file structured with clear column headers for smoother mapping when you set up your sync. If your organization uses strict permission settings, coordinate with your admin so the app is installed at the appropriate scope. And if you ever need to remove or update the app, you can manage it from the same marketplace area where you installed it. You've now connected Microsoft Excel to Monday.com by installing the official sync app, laying the groundwork for a smooth, reliable data flow between your spreadsheets and your boards.